Yo, it is a fried African song, you know. You just have to say heck and call out some vegetables. So do it then now. Alright, jump with it.
La 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 heck to the rock, tomato, heck, pop chow, mango.
Yo, what's an African black?
Facebook hero, look at it again. I don't know when I come to talk, I don't know when I come to talk, my grieve dog. You, Mr. X6 man, kill off the innocent youth. Then buy out everybody at Jamaica, but you can't buy out the hero, you know. You can't buy out the hero. Because Jamaican motto is, money talk and bullshit walk. For you have money, you buy out anything. So we're going to come together and raise some funds and buy Cartel X6. Come my friend, half a bus off the case. Addy, my daddy, half a bus off the case. Shoot the innocent youth and go like nothing now come outside. People don't go like you know go march, you know. Because you know waste on the breath. Don't go like you know go march in the road and talk about you know justice. Because now waste on the breath. See me lean up on your car and shoot me. See me matter of me turn on my back, shoot me. Me not in a look. See me I run and shoot me X6 man. X6 man, shoot me. Shoot me no X6 man. Shoot me. Shoot me a blood up me cape and mask. Me pride and joy. Jamaica. Big Flash water party, you know about? Yeah man, you see me. You know buy a ticket. That's some ticket I sell. Me not buy no ticket from you. What? The last time I buy a ticket from you, me not get to go in that party. What you mean? A plastic ticket them I use. And a plastic ticket me give you bad man. Back out that can go. Anyways, where you get them tickets? Xtickets.com. Where you buy them? Xtickets.com. What? For the internet. What man, which party inside? I can't buy the way for walking there now. Yo, Juba, talk to them brother for you. Who name Juba? Wagwa, you don't know that Juba from Hapla. Watch all party and event promoters. Xtickets.com and the new place where you sell the ticket. Them sign up on Xtickets.com and download the app. And you don't have to pay for print no more tickets. Just sell them right off of your cell phone, just like how you buy credit for your phone. People can buy tickets online for any party as long as the promoter them sign up with Xtickets.com to sell tickets. Watch again. The people are now left their yard to get them tickets. They just go to Xtickets.com, buy them digital tickets, or you get it right to your WhatsApp, right to your email, or BB thing. Watch. They are send it straight to your IG. And with this ticketing system, no bandulo. So Mr. Promoter, them can't fraud your ticket again. Them can't fraud your ticket again. Them bandulo ticket for a very long time. X-Tickets, they have to stop their shine. Xtickets.com. Go download.
I didn't.
Don't go there, Donald.
Well, we all know what happened.
Donald, I told you not to go there. Now I'm on your ass. You know what? I never wanted to do this.
Never wanted to do what, Celery? Never wanted to do what?
I'm going Jamaican on you.
What?
Dirty boy channel. Hey, me, I gonna bust your secret.
Could you speak English? Celery, could you speak English? Celery, stop.
Me, I gonna make the people them know where your father come from.
What is she saying? Can somebody help me? I need a translationist. Celery, stop.
Stephanie, my girl, listen. All men are the same. All men are dogs, cheaters, liars, scammers, prostitutes. All men are the same.
All men are dogs.
Exactly, that's what I said. All men
Look
are...
here, you actually have some good guys out there.
No, shut up. You
know that,
you don't know anything, okay? You have a retarded girlfriend, so shut
all
up.
guys are the same. You have man where good.
No, you don't have any good guys out there. You don't have any good guys out there.
Tell me, say you have good people out there.
No, shut up. All men are the
Say
same.
nah,
Shut up. All men are dogs. All men are the same. And that's final.
Well, who told you to try them all?
Hey, ya general, youth.
Facebook era, buck at it again. I don't know when I come to talk, I don't know when I come to talk. For all kind of things spoil. A big girl, one man spoil them. Some man do not look good, some man don't look like spoil milk. Some man don't come like a spoil egg. Last night a girl called me and talk about hero. You can't spoil me. Me say yes baby, what you want? Yeah, when a girl said to me, want a Benz. Hey girl, you think me gonna make police shoot me? You think me gonna make sick of your police shoot me? A thief you want me go thief? Me not have a righteous car. Boy, you want man spoil you. You look like a spoil egg. Hey girl, don't stress out the hero. And go look with your thinking mouth. Someone who talk about spoil. Stop stress out the hero. Remember run. New York cold and me have to come out here preach. New York cold and me have to come out here preach. Boy, you want man spoil you. Spoil egg girl.
Hey.
I saw it still, wildlife in my DNA. Cowboy town, so it gone. Brave heart, so we never scared. Friends them call me a gringo. My granny tell me some wild like mushrooms and blind mice. So we stay, I saw it gone. So grimy, so.
Hey, boy, I'm on this. You look for me, no? Yeah, you can't run.
Sure, man. You don't know what you think, go, man. Hustlers anthem. For the real hustlers, them. Big